How to clean any type of jewelry to get it to look like this. It's gonna look brand new and it's gonna have that shine. You guys are gonna need some baking soda, some hydrogen peroxide, something to mix it with. And then obviously whatever you guys are gonna clean, I'm cleaning this earring that I used to wear. Step 1, put some baking soda in your mixture. I put a little too much, but that's whatever. Get your baking soda and make like a paste. Go ahead and stir it, make it a paste. I need some more baking soda, to be honest. We're gonna dip our jewelry in the solution. Stir it around, make sure it gets it all. The paste should come out kind of like this, gooey. A Q-tip and something and just start cleaning it, you know, make sure it's all nice and clean. Now just go ahead and rinse it off. And bam, we're done. Look how shiny it is. It's gonna look like you just bought it.
Guys, and today I'm going to be showing you a very easy way to clean your earrings. Sorry if I sound weird, I just woke up. But first you're just going to fill up a bowl with water and dish soap. I recommend doing this at night because it's very easy to do, but it's not a quick process. Then you're going to put your earrings in the soap and water and leave it to soak for 30 minutes. Make sure you wash your hands before you touch them. And then you're just going to dump out the water. Make sure you're careful and don't drop one of the earrings in the disposal, just like I did. But after that, you're going to wash off the earrings and you're going to dump out the water again. You're going to put it on a paper towel. And then just put like a bunch of alcohol on them. And then you're going to leave it to dry overnight and then wash it off one more time. Yeah, that's it. Bye, guys.
I've had these earrings for about 8 months, and to be honest, I haven't been taking care of them as well as I should have. You can see a lot of tarnish, so today I wanted to try out some different cleaning methods. The first one I ended up doing is just letting them soak in white vinegar. I let them set for about an hour, and then I started scrubbing with a toothbrush just to try and get off as much tarnish as I could. It worked pretty good for one of them, but if you could see in the first clip, there was one that was pretty tarnished and dirty looking. So I saw online that people put 2 drops of dish soap in warm water, so I did that, and just once again scrubbed with the toothbrush, and here's what they look like when they're clean. I definitely feel like they're a bit more shinier, but a lot of the plating did come off.